The Alberta Livestock and Meat Strategy is about reinvigorating the livestock industries in the province of Alberta. And animal health and food safety certainly plays a role in doing that. What we want to do is have increased consumer confidence, and that's both domestic consumers and external markets, but to increase the confidence that they have in the products that are raised here in Alberta. And we do that in a number of ways. But the biggest thing that we do is we're trying to establish or build trust. And so if people trust your products, they have confidence in them, and then they will prefer to buy those products over products that maybe don't come from systems that have a really strong food safety and animal health record. One of the initiatives that we've done that supports the Livestock and Meat Strategy is we have a new Animal Health Act, and it replaces the Livestock Diseases Act. But the Animal Health Act is meant to allow us to establish programs that promote animal health, but also to respond to and react to animal disease situations. And by doing so, we are able to effectively help the industry deal with disease incursions. We have several regulations that support that Animal Health Act. There's several that are in place right now, and there's or 3 that are in place right now, and there's several more that we're actually developing right now. The ones that are in place right now include the Reportable Notifiable Disease Regulation, and also there's 2 traceability regulations. The Reportable and Notifiable Disease Regulation allows us to specifically name diseases that are of concern, that we need to monitor, we need to watch, we need to keep an eye on them. And if they do occur, then we need to be able to effectively respond to them. And response varies with the disease. Sometimes we go out there and we try to eliminate the disease. Sometimes we institute measures that will help control it and over time make it become less of an issue for the livestock industry. The traceability, any good livestock system needs traceability. Traceability so that you can respond effectively to a disease, so you know where the animals have been and you know where the animals are, and it's those sorts of things, those tools help us deal with animal disease issues. There are a number of other initiatives that we are undertaking to support the Livestock and Meat Strategy besides the Animal Health Act. They include things like animal health strategies. There's 2 strategies that are being developed right now, and they're very close to being completed. One is a national farm animal health and welfare strategy that Alberta has been very instrumental in helping develop at a national level, but we also have an Alberta strategy that's going to help us look at the broad picture of animal health, and it's going to help us deal better with disease issues that are here now, but also emerging diseases, ones that we can't even predict because they haven't occurred yet, but we know that they will occur, so we need to have an effective strategy to know how to deal with them. That's one thing. Other things are things like biosecurity initiatives to help producers do a better job at controlling the disease on their farm, to take measures that will prevent the spread of disease from farm to farm and to protect their animals. There's insurance policies. If animal diseases do occur, what we want to look at is how do we protect the financial well-being of the farmer, and certainly one of those ways of doing that is through insurance programs, and these insurance programs will help farmers weather the storm if a disease hits. Animal welfare is another issue, or it's another aspect that we are looking at helping the industry deal with. And the livestock industry has a very good record for animal welfare, but there's always ways that you can improve as things change, and as we get new and better ways of doing things, we want to make sure that we're keeping up to date and making sure that the animal welfare is being taken care of on the farm as well. Those are just a few other examples of the sort of things that we're doing to support the Livestock and Meat Strategy.